So in DaVinci Resolve, sometimes when you pull in an audio clip from somewhere, it makes you think your speakers are sometimes broken. So I'm going to show you how you can fix this inside of DaVinci Resolve. So let's get right into it. So what I'm talking about is mono or stereo audio, and what this does is mono means it only comes out of the left or the right speaker, not both. And stereo audio means it comes out of both, so it comes to both ears and it sounds correct instead of just the left or right. So I've got just a simple sound effect here, and it is currently mono. So let's have a listen. As you can see there, it is only coming from the left speaker, which kind of just sounds weird, especially for a sound effect. So the way that you can fix this is by going ahead and right-clicking on that clip and coming just to clip attributes here. So once you click on that, it will usually be selected on video, and you can just come over to audio. So as you can see here, it shows the format of this audio being mono. So if we switch it over to stereo, this actually is a stereo sound, and I have simply just switched it over to mono for demonstration. But what typically happens when audio is recorded in mono, meaning it only has one channel, is you can just play channel 1 inside of channel 2. Because it doesn't have a second channel, you can simply just have it play out of both sides, making it sound right to the ear. So as you can see there, it sounds much better and a lot more normal. So if this was helpful, or maybe you liked it, go ahead and click this video next, and I'll see you in the next one.